Let's talk about building your own digital empire, something that's entirely yours, generates passive income, and lets you call the shots. We're talking about selling digital products, and no, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Using AI tools, you can create and sell a variety of digital products like ebooks, online courses, design templates, stock photos, the list goes on. Imagine this. You've got a knack for social media marketing. You use Jasper AI to write an ebook titled Social Media Marketing Tips for Beginners, packed with actionable strategies and real-life examples. Or maybe you're a design whiz, or even if you're not, AI can make you look like one. You use Canva to create stunning resume templates, planner layouts, or social media graphics packs. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, they can generate passive income for months, even years to come. You put in the work once, and the product continues to sell while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website make selling these digital gems easier than ever. Let's do the math. Say you create a Canva template pack priced at $20. You sell 500 copies, and boom, that's $10,000 right there. And that's just from one product. You can create a whole library of digital products catering to different niches and interests. Now, you might be thinking, but Alfez, what if I'm not an expert in anything? That's the beauty of it. You don't have to be. AI tools empower you to create high-quality products even if you're starting from scratch. The key here is to identify a problem or need in the market and create a digital product that solves it. And remember, you don't have to do it all alone. AI tools are your trusty sidekicks, helping you research, create, and even market your products. Now, if you're looking to package your AI skills into a high-ticket service, listen up. AI consulting is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Businesses across all industries are scrambling to integrate AI into their operations. But here's the thing, most of them don't know where to start. They're hearing all the buzzwords, seeing their competitors jump on the AI bandwagon, but they lack the knowledge and expertise to implement it effectively. That's where you come in, the AI whisperer, the tech-savvy consultant who guides them through the AI maze. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius with a PhD in computer science to pull this off. You just need to understand how these tools work and how to apply them to real-world business problems. Learn the ins and outs of ChatGPT, explore automation platforms like Zapier, and familiarize yourself with the various AI tools available for marketing, customer service, and data analysis. You become the bridge between complex AI technology and businesses eager to leverage its power. Offer your services to help businesses automate their email responses, streamline their data entry processes, personalize their customer interactions, or even improve their social media marketing using AI. Charge $1,000 per project, a reasonable fee for the value you provide, and with just 10 projects a month, you've hit that $10,000 goal. The beauty of AI consulting is that you're not just selling a service, you're selling a solution. You're helping businesses save time, reduce costs, and ultimately increase their bottom line. That's a value proposition that's hard to resist, and as AI continues to evolve at breakneck speed, the demand for skilled AI consultants will only skyrocket. So if you're looking to leverage your AI skills for maximum earning potential, AI consulting is the way to go. So, we've explored the incredible income potential of AI, but you might be wondering, Alfez, how do I actually get started? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a clear roadmap to kickstart your AI journey today. First things first, pick your lane. Decide whether you want to dive into the world of content creation, build a passive income stream with digital products, or position yourself as an in-demand AI consultant. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one area that excites you and aligns with your skills. Second, master your tools. You don't need to become an expert in every single AI tool out there. Choose one or two that align with your chosen niche and dive deep. Learn their ins and outs, experiment with different features, and become a true power user. Remember, AI tools are constantly evolving, so embrace continuous learning and stay ahead of the curve. Third, market yourself like a pro. Create a strong online presence that showcases your AI skills and services. Build a professional website, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and consider creating content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok to share your knowledge and attract clients. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and network with potential clients. And finally, the most important ingredient, consistency, is key. AI tools can automate tasks and speed up your workflow, but your dedication and hard work are what will ultimately drive your success. Set realistic goals, show up consistently, and never stop learning and growing. Now, I know starting a new venture can feel overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to do it alone. There are tons of resources available to support you on your AI journey. So there you have it. AI isn't just the future, it's your future. Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 or add a side hustle, the opportunities are endless. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. But the real power lies in your hands. How will you use it? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments. Which AI business idea